Today we're going to be making some tiles for our kitchen. I've already made a few here and cooked them. Just going to be making another one here. You would probably want to make a much bigger piece of clay, and I've rolled them all out the same size. So what I've got is a specialist sugarcraft. So what I've got is a specialist sugarcraft rolling pin. So what you can use if you'd like to have that is any rolling pin, and you can make your clay any size you like by stacking either, I've got jumbo, but you can just use ordinary popsicle sticks. We get ours from Poundland, and then just rolling across the top, and your clay will be the same for each piece. So I've done that. I've laid them on my ruler. Now you don't need to have a ruler like this, it's just because I've got it and it's easy for me. You can just draw some lines on your paper and lay it on your paper, and then once you've done that, I'm going to take a stamp. I found this stamp with a butterfly in it, but I've used all different ones. This one had a flower, this one was more of a square design on it, this one was just a different pattern. So I've used all different pieces like that. So I've taken my stamp and I'm just going to stamp it onto the clay, just like that, okay? And then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to come along, and I'm going to line my knife up with the lines on my ruler. So if you wanted to, you could just do it up with your pencil. I'm just going to show you how I did it with this because it just makes it easier. So go along with your pencil and take them off like so, or your pieces off the side like so. And this is going to take a while. What I would say is this is something you could do whilst maybe you're watching TV or something like that. And there you have it, one little tile. And then what I did was, I've got lots of different glitters and powders and things, and what I did was I just took my finger and put a little bit on my finger just like so, and then I gently rubbed it over where I want the glitter, or this is like an embossing powder I think, and I'm just sort of putting it on there. You can see you get a nice sort of edge on that. I can show you what this one is. This is a lovely one. You could use all the same. I just use different embossing powders and glitters. That's that one there. Can you see it? Hopefully you can see that. Okay, that's a really nice one. So, and then what I'll do is I'll just bake that same as I would bake anything else. Pop it on a tile, put a piece of foil over the top of it, and just bake it off. If you do notice when you've put it in that it moves, you can just stretch it back into the shape and size you want. Don't forget to clean off your ruler, especially if it's your dressmaking ruler. We don't want bits of that getting onto your fabric. And that's my tiles. What I will do once it's baked is I will bring it back and I will put some varnish all over the top. I will give it a coat of varnish, a couple of coats of varnish, and then you'll have a really pretty little tile. I'm going to make mine all different rainbow colours. I think the dolls will like the nice bright colours. There you go. So this is our finished tile. It's had one coat of varnish, and we'll probably give it another one coat, but then it's all ready to go. Hope you like it.